compassion.
and compassion.
I will engage
I will be
in respectful,
respectful,
collegial relationships,
relationships,
and I will value
and I will value
the trust
the trust
that society has vested in me
the
the
society
society
as a massage therapist practitioner.
as a massage therapist
practitioner
By being accountable,
by being accountable,
ethical,
critical,
and to all the members of this profession
and to all the members of this profession
and other healthcare professions
and others
responsible.
responsible.
I make this pledge
I this
with
space
integrity
so integrity
and of my own free
and
will.
and all for free.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, graduates.
Thank you, thank you so much, sir. You now take your seats. May we call on Mrs. Rosalind Belarma for the words of response to our guests and honorables.
To our beautiful and enthusiastic Honorable Capitan Esther Concha, to our very active, supportive counselors, to our TESDA Mami Lenore and staff, and the IT staff, and to our coach and trainer, Miss Soledad Azarcon, and to my fellow graduates, guests, good afternoon. In our 20 days in this field massage was a challenge, right? Isang late ko, no? Thankful ko ni Sister Aurora kaya na ay what nila yun na-insert in taon ko. And then at first, I was afraid kitang tanan ng hadlok. At my age, 46 years old, mukhang bata lang yan, katiguan na. My memory is not good enough. It's because I undergo 3 major operations. But I took the challenge because I see my classmates who are older than me. We have brave and competent senior citizens, which awarded Delina, who took the challenge. Today, allow me to thank first to our God, above all, kay wala si God. Hilo ng ato ang mga schedules. Thank you, our very patient and kind trainer, Ma'am Sol. She has been so patient to each of us. She is just not like a trainer or a coach, but for us, she is a teacher and a friend. She even shared not just her knowledge and talent, time, but budget sa among lunch. And sa among lunch.
Nagabot siya karon.
And grabe due to support. That's why we are excited to come in class early because maguna si Ma'am Sol. May iko mi, magduwat siya diri. Kung malingkamot siya mi, makauna mi niya. Pero maguna din siya. Thank you to our officials, Honorable Capitan Esther Concha, for giving us the subsidy for rice sa among panilagto and sa among venue and all the support na imong ihatag diri ka namo kay without the officials, without your leadership, wala ni karon. And to our Honorable Councilor Fabian Abis, who initiated this project for the moral and financial support kay dili lang rice yung ihatag, mahatag kayo siya pang snack na po. May you continue to initiate training like this because a lot of Kalambahanos will be benefited. As you say, ganina, di lang kami makatrabaho, but then makarelax, palagi pa ang amo ang bana, mahilog na lang mo. Oh. And then, thank you for TESDA for having this training to our barangay, which give us hopes and dreams to come true, and to uplift our life having a good job. Thank you for giving us hope for us again, for us plain housewife. unemployed. And for us classmates here who are struggling, one of us here took the challenge to even work at night in the sari-sari store and even sleep inside the store with 160 salary per day. Nanikamot yun siya na makasunod sa klase, even in ana lang niyang sitwasyon. One of us here struggling for financial because she always depends sa iyang husband. But now, she has her own income by home service. Di pa yun kayo siya nakadawat sa 300, 600 sa iyang home service. And I'm so happy. It's because na-unite ko siya sa iyang husband. Wala na rin yung husband. Di pa yun kayo sila. And a few bystanders here working na sa spa. And I'm so proud kami ako mga classmates. No, kay grabe yun sila ka madasigon, grabe kayo sila mahihakon na makasulod sa klase. And I personally thank my classmates for being so patient during our training. No, basing kapila na kaghihilot, balik-balik. No, makagunta lang yapon. In 20 days, we created a bond. Miss our nervousness na di pa during sa atong urang ni Ma'am Sol. Kasi magpuro-puro, may hindi sikat-sikat sa notebook. And then, I miss our lunch bonding. And thank you to Miss Melody, na pugihan kay maloto sa among lunch. No? Bingan, ginamustay. And thank you for Miss Luella nga grabe. Bising ka-busy siya sigang trabaho diri, magdagan-dagan din na siya sa taas. Bahala na siya overtime, maghilat para makaapas din na mo. Thank you kay pugihan kay especially sa paperworks na to. Lastly, thank you to our family. Nga grabe dyan kasabot. Oh, mga sila din. No? Thank you kaayo. And that's why I am proud. I am Rosalie Pacanya Villarma, proud TESDA Pilot Massage graduate and now a licensed unemployed as TESDA. Good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you so much, no?